Hi guys, it's Vicky. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be making a ladder stitch cuff that has some hearts on it. This pattern uses a total of 132 beads. That is going to be 60 clear beads, 24 red, 24 magenta, and 24 pink. I'm also going to guess that we probably need about 10 feet of string to make this. I'm not entirely certain of that, but I am going to be using 1mm thick fabric coated elastic for this. And then of course, don't forget the scissors. Alright, let's get started. By the way, if you click the first link in the description, it will take you right to the pattern. To get started, I'm going to get a really big piece of string, so I'm just going to go with 10 feet so I don't run out. You'll want to fold the string in half and then just kind of keep track of these two ends. So first you'll want to add 1 clear, then 2 of the light pink, and then 3 more clear. So it should look like that. Then slide this to the middle of the string. It's so long. So the side that only has 1 clear, that's the top of the bracelet. So I'm going to grab the end that is nearest to that and add 4 light pink. And then 2 clear beads. And I'm going to sort of pull some of the string through, but not all the way. And then switch to my other string. So now that I have the other string, I'm going to place it through all of those beads, going the opposite direction. Did I get it all in one go? Then pull that through. I'm going to pull both of these strings to tighten it. Want to make sure that you keep your 2 strings similar length. Okay, then I'm going to grab my left string again. On this row, we're going to add 1 clear, then 4 pink, then 1 clear. I'm going to pull that string most of the way through. So there's what this row looks like. I'll switch to my other string. Now I'm going to place my other string through all of those beads, but going the opposite way. Okay. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay, so now it looks like this. Once again, I'm going to grab my left string. This next row will have 2 clear, and then 4 pink. Then I can switch my string and place it through all of those beads, going the opposite way. And pull that through. Alright, once again on the left string now, we're going to add 1 clear, then 4 pink, then 1 clear, Then I can switch strings and put that string through all those beads, going the opposite way. Next, with the left string, I'm gonna add 4 pink beads. And then 2 clear. Then switch strings and place it through all the beads, going the opposite way. Now this row will be 1 clear, 2 pink, and then 3 clear. Then switch strings and place it through all the beads, going the opposite way. So now I've actually completed 1 heart. So now we're going to move on to the magenta heart. So for the magenta heart, the first row is going to be clear, then 2 magenta, then 3 clear. Now our next row will be 4 magenta and 2 clear. The next row will be 1 clear, 4 magenta, and then 1 clear. Alright, the next row will be 2 clear, and then 4 magenta. The next row will be 1 clear, 4 magenta, and then 1 clear. The next row is 4 magenta, then 2 clear. And this next row will be 1 clear, 2 magenta, and then 3 clear. And now the magenta heart is done, so we just need to make the red heart. And that's going to start with 1 clear, 2 red, then 3 clear. Next will be 4 red and 2 clear. Next will be 1 clear, 4 red, and 1 clear. The next row will be 2 clear and 4 red. Okay, now 1 clear, 4 red, and 1 clear. The next row will be 4 red, then 2 clear, the next row will be clear, 2 red, and 3 clear. Alright, so in the original pattern, which looks like this, I did include an extra row that was just clear beads, but this is actually already big enough, so I'm going to tie it off here. If you need yours to be bigger, yeah, you can add a row or 2 or however many of just clear beads. But, yeah, I think we're going to tie it off here. So I'm going to fold this over so the 2 ends of the bracelet are next to each other. I'm going to take one of my 2 strings and place it through all the beads of the end that doesn't have any strings coming out. And then I'm going to take these 2 strings and just tie them into a triple knot. Now let's try it on. Oh, that's like super cute. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.